In case you get confused about what to do for this Explore part of your game, I'm making this video. So you're going to be going into Google Earth by using this link, and you're going to explore the Cupola Observatory module, which is in the space station. So when you click here, it's going to bring you to Google Earth, and you'll notice that it says Cupola Observation Module. If you click anywhere else over here, it's going to take you away from what you're supposed to be looking at. There's a table of contents here. Notice it took me away. We're in the International Space Station, but what we want to do is we want to be here in the Cupola Observational Module. So if you get taken away, make sure you come back over here and you find the Cupola Observation Module. And here we can explore by dragging and looking all around the observational module, Cupola, and we have to answer questions about it. So you could also scroll down and read what it says here, all about this part of the International Space Station, because you're going to have to answer a couple of questions about it when you're in your Explore part. What is the Cupola Observational Module used for? How many windows does it have? And what was the most interesting thing that you saw? So you're going to want to make sure that you read all about it here, what it's used for, and it tells you all of the answers right inside of here. But you could also look around and see what's going on inside of this module. What kind of machinery do they use? What do you see outside? If you were an astronaut, what might you be looking at out of these windows? Hope that was helpful.